Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse, and today I'm doing a comparison video between the SV400 vacuum blender and the SV500 vacuum blender. They both have a high-speed, high-powered motor with the same RPM and horsepower. A larger casing around the SV500 gives it a little bit more airflow, which means it won't overheat if you're using it in a commercial environment, so you can use the SV500 in a commercial business. The SV500 has a larger jug capacity. You can blend up to 1.3 litres in the jug. With the SV400, more compact, suitable for the home use, you can get a litre blended out of the SV400. Internally, they both have 6 metal blades. They both have the same vacuum sealed lid and inner lid. Both machines have the same one-touch auto blend, auto vacuuming, and auto blend vacuum buttons. With the SV400, it's the newest 4th generation technology. So with the manual dial, we can turn it to cleaning mode. So it's an automatic program, a little bit of water into the bottom to cover the blades, a drop of detergent, and turn it to auto clean. It also has an automatic heat button for making a soup, so we can just turn it to auto heat. And the machine has a pre-programmed 6.5 minute blending function to heat up your soup. With the SV500, you're just going to turn it on manually and heat it for 6 or 7 minutes until the soup is complete. Slight difference with the lids and the vacuum cover. With the SV500, it sits completely over the whole jug, keeping the noise right down. With the SV400, it sits over the top. It's a little bit more compact. The handle still sticks out of the front, reduces the noise, but not as much reduction as you get with the SV500. Both machines come with the tamper to assist with blending and the vacuum blender recipe book with over 100 different recipes in there for you to follow. Both machines have the optional accessory, which is this tumbler. That means you can replace the jug, put the tumbler on, put your ingredients in there, and then we can put the lid on and vacuum only the ingredients that are in the tumbler. This is perfect if you want to keep your smoothie for later. You can pop it in the fridge, come back to it the next day, and it's held without any oxidation in the fridge, keeping it nice and fresh. So that's it from me today, guys. We have the SV400, which is the slightly smaller version of our vacuum blenders with the 4th generation features, and the SV500, the slightly larger commercial use if required vacuum blender.